In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden bases in Minecraft Bedrock. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be presenting some general tips on how you can find bases that other people have made, either above the ground, so on the surface, or below ground. Of course, the main tip, and the easiest one to follow by far, is to try to look for terrain that has been altered by other players. So I spawned randomly, and I can already tell that player activity has been here. So as you can see, there are a bunch of cobwebs placed, these trees have been broken down, and if I keep walking, I can find other random blocks that people have placed down. So crafting table here, some random blocks here in the middle of nowhere, and so on. This indicates that players have walked around these coordinates, which could mean that a base is nearby. Of course, there is no guarantee that someone has actually been here, so it all depends on your luck. But in this example here, I was able to find a bunch of totems and a bunch of dropped items, so clearly someone was PvPing here, and I was lucky enough to find it. So the main tip that I can give you is to try respawning over and over until you see player activity in a specific area. If you see player activity, this indicates that someone has recently or a long time ago moved around these parts and they could have a base nearby. Sometimes people will make big builds, so it is easy to identify, while other times they might dig down into very specific holes. So I'm gonna test my luck and I'm gonna drop down here and let's see if we can find something. So it's all relying on luck. You need to look around for clues. You will often need to dig down, go inside of caves, inside of holes, and so on. And this can usually give you a nice chance of finding terrain that has been explored by other players or a base that they have made where they store their chests and other valuables. And at that point, you can go ahead and loot whatever you'd like. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.